Hi guys, welcome to Jamaican Girl TV, and tonight we are making some red pea soup. Okay, red pea soup. So we already started. We have the red peas in the pot over there. Let me show it to you. The red peas is in the pot, and we have some pigtail and some chicken feet. There goes the red peas. Look at it, guys. And we have some pigtail and chicken feet, and we have some yams in there. So we're gonna make some flour dumpling, and this is wheat flour, by the way. And we have some pumpkin over here, some peppers, and you know Jamaican can do without the chocha. And we have some green bananas. We're just gonna cut them up and put them in. So here we go, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Jamaican Girl TV. And it's red pea soup tonight. So we already put the meat in and stuff like that. So we don't have to season any meat. We're just gonna make the flour. Okay, guys? Yes, guys. We are making the flour. I use a spoon because I don't want to put my hand in it, but I'll use my hand to make the flour. Okay, guys? And welcome once more to Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, guys? So you start. You don't want to make it too soft because you don't want your flour to be too soft, okay? Pour a little, don't pour a lot of water, because you might just get up in trouble with too much water. You don't want it soft, okay? It's like you're mixing something like clay or putty, but you don't put too much water. If you put too much water, it will get too soft. Okay, guys, here we are. Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna make them with my hands, and you're gonna see how I do it. Oh, I roll it up. Okay. When we're in Jamaica, we don't use a spoon, we just use our hand. But me sometime, you know, I just do it this way. Use some spoon. Okay, guys.
So in Jamaica, you call it flour dumpling. So it's when you're taking roll of the flour and call it dough in here in United States.
And you put a little salt in it, of course. And we're gonna make the dumpling. Okay, guys.
Call it roll up the dumpling.
Yeah. And then put it in. And this is wheat flour, but you can also use white flour. Not for the Johnny cake, you know. Same thing we call the Johnny cake. And as I said, we have some chocha. We are going to put in it too. And we put in the red peas, but we pressure the peas before we put it in. We use the packed peas, by the way, not the canned peas. As you can see, or as I can see this, we just make them one and put them in. or we can roll the dumpling too. This has a bit too much water, but this, as you can see, we can roll them. Yes guys, here we go. The dumplings are almost finished in the pot. Just do them like how you would do the hot chocolate thing. When you're in Jamaica, you make the hot chocolate. This is how we, the one that you beat in the mortar, this is how we do it. And then we make our hot chocolate. But we're not making hot chocolate. We're making the nice red pea soup tonight. Okay guys, so this is how we roll them up and drop them in, which is great. So we'll take a look at it when we are finished. And we call that the Johnny cake. Let's see guys, let's see. Wow, look at it. Rich and nice. The Johnny cakes are in, the chicken feet, the yam, yellow yam of course. And the pigtail, we put a little pigtail in it. And now we are gonna put in the pumpkin. But you have to watch it. When you put the pumpkin in, you have to watch it because the pumpkin can be very soft and cook very quickly. So you have to watch it so it doesn't mash out in the pot. And we have some over there too. Yes guys, we're gonna use 2 of the banana. Okay guys, when we're in Jamaica, they kind of cut it like this to put in the soup. Cut it this way, just to put it in the soup. We already have some cooked ones, so we don't need a lot of that. We already have some cooked ones, guys, so we're just gonna put this in the pot. Put the other one. Here we go, guys. There we go. Jamaican Girl TV. And you can do it this way. Just put them in the pot and they will just boil. Okay, guys. Normally, sometimes we take the skin off, but when they are doing the party and stuff and we are back home, they put it in with the skin.
Skin makes stronger.
Yes, yes, yes. So that's it for now, guys. We only have the chocho left to put in. Not a lot. Chocho and pepper. Got to have pepper to let it taste nice, give it some flavor. Okay, guys, we're gonna put some scallion and thyme in it. Also,